Hi guys, welcome to my grocery haul pickup. I got everything that we need for the week. If you're new to my channel, my name's Molly. Thanks for being here. I share with you each week my one grocery haul. I do one grocery trip. It's a pickup from Walmart. I keep it at about $200 each week to feed my family of 4. I also share with you our meal plan on what we're having for the week. So if you're new, make sure you click subscribe. Let me show you everything I got and what we're having for dinners this week. Okay, I got a bunch of stuff on my grocery pickup this week. I was a little over budget at $218, but got tons and tons of stuff. We needed to stock up on a few things. Lots and lots of fruit and vegetables this week. So I have been getting a watermelon back here just about every week so far this summer, and they have been so good. The kids are home, so we are doing lots of snacking throughout the day. So lots of fruit and veggie snacks. The watermelon, pineapple, absolutely love pineapple. Blueberries, strawberries we get every week. I got a lot of carrots because I wanted the bigger bag, but they only had these smaller bags. Corn has been great right now. It's in season, so love that. Broccoli is our favorite veggie. I've got some cucumber here, and under here is some zucchini. I'm going to be doing some dips for 4th of July coming up, so I'm going to use some things other than chips like zucchini, and I got some bell peppers and things to use with the dip that I'm going to make. So I'm going to use this ranch packet with some Greek yogurt, some plain Greek yogurt to make a really good healthy dip for the veggies. I have these 2 water enhancers. This one is my favorite, pineapple mango. This one is my husband's favorite, mixed berry, and this one has electrolytes, so love that. All these B vitamins, and it's just so delicious to put a little squirt of these in your water. Love them. Avocados back here, a bunch of apples. We do a lot of apple snacking, peanut butter, and just plain also. Some taco seasoning mix. I got some ground turkey, so we'll do some tacos. A big box of eggs. I have been getting a box of eggs about every week to every other week, depending. It's just a better value to get a whole box. I got some frozen veggies. I had a friend share with me a crockpot meal that I'm going to make. I know you guys love my crockpot videos, so I'm going to be making a couple different ones and got some frozen veggies. I love this one, Ultimate Southwest Blend. It's got corns, beans, peppers, onions, all kinds of things already diced up and ready to go, so I love that. And then this is California style vegetable mix. It's got broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, all of our favorites. So got lots of cheese. I am trying out this fat-free cheddar cheese. So we'll see. I'm not sure if I'm going to like fat-free cheese because I just love shredded cheddar cheese. So a big bag of cheese. My kids do quesadillas and lots of different things with shredded cheese. Some of these soft tortilla bowls. So we do tacos almost once a week, and these are one of my kids' favorites. So they're like these little bowls made out of little tortilla. So he does his taco in there. Milk for the week. I got some cream of chicken for one of the casseroles I'm doing. Black beans, Great Northern beans. I'm going to be doing a chicken chili. So I got some extra beans, kidney beans. Pickles, absolutely love pickles. They are so fun to snack on and 0 calories. Can never ever beat that. I got 2 of these little salsa verdes. They're mild. They're like small little cans. I get these all the time, these yogurt tubes. We freeze them and my kids have them. They call it dessert. So a little yogurt dessert frozen is good. Tuna, I've been doing a lot of tuna. I just love tuna for lunch. I add some hard-boiled egg whites to it, some pickles, a little bit of mayonnaise, and that's like my favorite lunch right now, especially since it is so hot. It is going to get crazy hot this week. I am really not looking forward to it, but we're going to get over hundreds, which is just crazy. I got some Ovaltine down here to make some taco milk for the kids. Another thing of cream of chicken soup for the casserole. I got 2 of these yogurts. This is the Too Good yogurt. It is really good, and it's only 2 grams of sugar per serving. So we absolutely love it. So I got 2 of these. I got 2 of these plain Greek yogurts, and these are going to be for dips that I'm making for 4th of July. So I'm going to add in some seasonings and some different things with that. Chicken apple sausage has been my go-to for breakfast. I do half of a link, and I have it with my eggs and avocado. So good chicken apple sausage. My kids like it for dinner also, so we go through quite a bit of chicken apple sausage. Ground turkey for tacos. Here is my kids' favorite maple sausage. This is the Vermont maple, so super easy. It's just frozen. You just microwave it. Salami is what Zachary loves for lunch, his salami sandwiches every day. Some bell peppers for the dips I'm going to make. Chicken thighs. Under here's chicken breasts. We do a lot of chicken. We grill it up and I just have it ready for salads, sandwiches, and whatnot. So lots of chicken. Lettuce for salads. I'm going to do chicken Caesar salad, my favorite meal. Bananas, a whole bunch. Frozen meatballs. My kids can eat frozen meatballs all day long. I don't know. They just devour them. Some sandwich thins. I have two different cake box mixes. You guys have been liking my cake box mix hack videos lately, so I have some more of those I'm going to make and we'll be showing you very soon. I got some popcorn, another snack, oatmeal for Zachary loves oatmeal for breakfast, and some bread for the boys, peanut butter sandwiches and salami sandwiches. So these are all of the groceries. I did not write down our meal plan for the week, so I will add that into the description box. But I'm going to do 2 different crock pot meals. I'm going to do a chicken chili and a chicken divan in the crock pot. And then some dips as well for the holiday, 4th of July. We have a lot of functions coming up this week for the 4th. So I'll put all of our meals in the description box if you want to check that out for some meal inspiration on what to make for the week. Everything's always super easy, so if you know that if you've been around my channel. So here's all the groceries. I hope that you enjoyed this grocery haul. If you have any questions, always leave me a comment, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.